Avy hit it.
You're okay. Good fish. Yeah, so your pole got whacked. These fish ain't nothing to mess around with. They're awesome. Look how good size. Oh, honey.
Yes.
Watch out, Avy.
Yes.
Yeah, honey, that's a big fish. Yeah, Debbie.
Just let it sit.
Wow.
Set your pole down.
So you caught it with the garlic or the salmon egg?
Both.
No, you hit one of them. See, that's a beautiful fish.
The short leader was the salmon egg.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a beautiful
That's a
fish.
beautiful fish, honey. Go over and
my
hold it up.
goodness.
Let's hold it up. I got one. Oh,
Get
shit.
it.
Hold that. I missed it.